All right, everyone, welcome to your first module, your first week of Spinal Workshop class. And this is, as I said in my video, the most powerful tool to make change. It is very naive of us as chiropractors to think that we can get somebody to think differently about health and wellness if we are not constantly spending the effort and energy at educating them about what that means. And somehow I think some of our profession feels that we can just adjust people and the miracles will happen for them and they're going to get chiropractic and they're going to refer all their friends and their families. And I suppose that does happen some small percentage of the time, but to really make a change in the communities in which we live and work, we must be constant and consistent with our education of our patients about chiropractic. And spinal workshops are just the preeminent tool to help people to stay, to refer their family members, and to really get what it is that we live. So this quarter we're going to work on creating, you're going to work on creating a fantastic chiropractic 101 presentation. What is the basic chiropractic story that you would like to tell to somebody in the community who knows nothing about chiropractic? So that is going to be our focus. I'm going to review your syllabus for you. You can find this syllabus in your welcome folder in your resources in Schoology. So there is no text that's required for this course. Recommended is a tape series called Rock the House, Dr. Dean DePice. You can get that from, if you're interested, you can get it from TLC for Super Teams. And you'll see on the online resources, I've included their web address as well as Schoology. So the content is going to unfold very predictably. Each week I'm going to issue a video class for you that you are to watch, you are to take notes upon, and there will be quizzes and assignments that are based upon those videos that you'll watch. Those are all listed for you in the syllabus week 1 through week 11. So I would like to make sure that we get finished by week 10, and I'm hoping that we can do that with this current outline of or structure of the course, that we can get that done by, you can get your final presentation done by week 10. And remember, your final presentation will be a 20-minute spinal workshop. If you look at the grade weighting and evaluation, you'll see that there's quizzes and assignments, which I mentioned before. They will be done almost weekly. 30% assignment or weight for the quizzes and 30% for the assignments. The final workshop presentation is 40% of your grade. If you look on the syllabus, you're going to see that late assignments will be assessed as 0 points. So please get your assignments in on time. We will allow a 24-hour period where if you are beyond that initial submission, where you will get 50% of your points for that submission. But if within 24 hours from that time period, their assignment will be a 0. So just get it in on time. It's so much easier for you to just handle it and do it. And I hate to see you lose points over something silly. So it's because we're working distance-wise and remotely. The rest of the syllabus has some questions in its application. But I'm available to help you. If you have any questions about the syllabus, please let me know. So why would we not want to do a spinal workshop? Why would we not want to do that? I coach a number of chiropractors around the country and have coached many over the years. And I will tell you that oftentimes practicing chiropractors have their excuses as to why they wouldn't want to do a spinal workshop. And I'm going to ask you guys to let me know what your opinions are about that. I'm going to issue a discussion board where I want you to tell me, why do you think people would not want to do a spinal workshop? What do you think the reason behind that would be? Benefits of the spinal workshop. I believe are so incredibly many. But I want you to think about it. What do you guys think would be the benefit of having a spinal workshop on a weekly basis? And I want you to think about that in regard to the doctor, the team, the practice, and also, and more importantly, the community in which the practice resides. I will include that with your discussion board for us to see what we all think about this idea of what the benefits of spinal workshops are.